Hi, this is your girl Sharon Wiles. I'm coming to you from Awemide. Where up in it? Way up in Trelawney. And of course, Trelawney is known for the best yellow yam, best apple yam, and we just stopped to buy some yam. Yeah, what's your name, my brother? Billy. Yeah. So you
Deli.
buy yam? Yeah, and this is, what's your name?
Deli a
And what's
silly
your name?
donkey.
Give me a kiss.
She attacked the jackass.
Yeah. Hey,
Eh?
and enough donkey we
Caleb
used
the
to ride,
donkey.
you know?
You
Used to
remember?
ride.
Aye, in the band TV. Whoa! Whoa! I see time now. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, I will
yes,
Trinidad
baby.
Kinsey. I
Yes,
will see
the
up a road.
donkey.
Me I tell you, I
You
will see.
sneeze for me, yeah.
I must smile, I must smile. You see my smile? Yeah, yeah. I'm in love. The donkey in love with you, Sharon. You better put up people here. The donkey in love. I want them to can put it on. Watch ya. Sharon, Sharon. How are you doing the donkey? How are you doing the donkey? Full length.
Stop. Stop. My belly. My belly.